This is a little review on the Autoglym interior shampoo. So you can buy this in Halfords. This is a 500ml bottle. It smells quite nice. You can use it on plastics and fabric seeds. When using it on plastics, you spray it on, agitate it and wipe it off. Or for areas like a lot of vehicles, if you've got sort of mud sort of on the vehicle plastics and you spray it on, wipe it over, what the better thing to do is to spray it on and perhaps agitate it with a very soft brush, because you've got like this here, it's not smooth. It might look smooth, but it's got a pattern to it, and it's better to agitate it and then wipe it off with a slightly damp cloth. For putting it on fabric seats, you just need to lightly spray it and then agitate it with a cloth or a firm sponge, and then wipe it with a dry cloth afterwards, and not to over soak. It is a light spray, not soaking, because if you soak it, it goes into the fabric, and then when it does dry, you'll get that watermarking. So it's better just to do it lightly, then make sure you take it off with a dry cloth afterwards. But it smells quite nice. It foams up a little bit, but it's actually quite a really good. I mean, I use the industrial, the trade, Autoglym trade. I have to dilute it, but this one's already pre-diluted. But it's not bad, and it goes quite a long way. And I say it smells. It's not got a horrible smell to it. It's quite a nice smell actually. But it works. It works quite well. I mean, the areas that are not too bad, sort of spraying it on, just sort of agitating it with a damp cloth normally does it. But for areas that got sort of mud, you're better off to use a soft sponge to get into the sort of little crevices. And then sometimes you have to do it a couple of times to get it out, otherwise, because what will happen is you spray it on, you wipe it, it'll look better, and then as soon as it dries, especially if it's sort of muddy, it'll still be there. And that's where the brush, you can get little soft brushes online, Amazon, sort of detailing brushes. They're pretty best thing to use. There you go, it's a little review on the Autoglym interior shampoo.